Tuesday night, clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, sunny. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 30%. Here's a look at the lake wind forecast for Lake Marion. West of today, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Tonight, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Monday, north winds around 5 knots. Monday night, northeast winds around 5 knots in the evening, becoming light and variable. Tuesday, north winds around 5 knots. Here's a look at the lake wind forecast for Lake Murray and Monticello Reservoir. West of today, north winds around 5 knots. Tonight, north winds around 5 knots. Monday, north winds around 5 knots. Monday night, northeast winds around 5 knots. Tuesday, north winds around 5 knots. Here's a look at the lake wind forecast for Lake Wateree. West of today, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Tonight, north winds around 5 knots. Monday, north winds around 5 knots. Monday night, northeast winds around 5 knots in the evening, becoming light and variable. Tuesday, light and variable winds, becoming north around 5 knots in the afternoon. The forecast for the South Carolina and Georgia beaches, there is a moderate risk of rip currents. Savannah, area beaches. Monday, partly cloudy, high temperature around 79. Tuesday, sunny, high about 81. Charleston, area beaches. Monday, partly cloudy, high around 79. Tuesday, sunny, high near 80. Myrtle Beach, area beaches. Monday, partly cloudy, high temperature around 77. Tuesday, sunny, high around 80. Charleston Harbor water temperature 77 degrees. The forecast for the Georgia and Carolina mountains, Clayton, Georgia, area mountains. Monday, partly cloudy, high temperature around 75. Tuesday, partly cloudy, high around 77. Asheville, North Carolina, area mountains. Monday, partly cloudy, high about 75. Tuesday, sunny, high around 78. Boone, North Carolina, area mountains. Monday, partly cloudy, high temperature around 70. Tuesday, partly cloudy, high temperature around 71. The following is a river flood statement. The flood warning is now in effect until Tuesday morning. The flood warning continues for the Saluda River at Chapels until Tuesday morning. At 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Sunday, the stage was 19.2 feet. Flood stage is 14 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Recent activity, the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday was 19.9 feet. The river is expected to fall below flood stage tomorrow and continue falling to 6.8 feet Friday morning. Impact, at 14 feet, the lands around and downstream from Chapels become flooded. Cattle grazing river bottomland should be moved to higher ground. Impact, at 16 feet, extensive farmland and river bottomland around and downstream from Chapels become flooded. Impact, at 18 feet, the Saluda River campground including the campground store downstream from Chapels becomes flooded. Campers should move to higher ground. The 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observation. At the Columbia Metro Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 81 degrees, the dew point 63, and the relative humidity 54%. The wind was variable at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.96 inches and falling. It was sunny with a temperature of 78 at Orangeburg, 77 at Greer, and 77 at Asheville. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 77 at Charleston, 79 at Sumter, 79 at Atlanta, 84 at Augusta, and 79 at Charlotte. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 75 at Flores and 74 at Myrtle Beach. The forecast for Columbia and surrounding areas. This afternoon, mostly sunny. Near steady temperature in the upper 70s. North winds around 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s.